Hail to you champions, my name's Ishka TV and I'm going to show you how to make an instant replay in OBS Studio. Hail to you champions, my name's Ishka TV and I'm going to show you how to make an instant replay in OBS Studio. For your first step, you'll be going into settings. You'll go into output, change your output mode to advanced, go to recordings and set your recording path. Put this on your desktop in a folder or put it in a secondary drive. Just make sure you know where this is. Then go to replay buffer, click enable replay buffer. Maximum replay time is how long OBS is recording in the backend. Twitch clips can be up to 60 seconds long, so I like to double it here in OBS. Keep in mind that when you're setting this value, the longer duration that you're using, the more RAM you're going to be using. Next we go into advanced, and here under recording, for the file name formatting, remove it. You want it to be blank. You also want to check overwrite if file exists. Then you're going to set replay buffer file name prefix as something that's going to be obvious. We're going to name it instant replay. From advanced, we're going to hotkeys, and we're going to set the hotkey for our replay buffer to start and stop, and to save it as well. Click apply, click OK. So now I'm going to press F1. You can see down here that start replay buffer illuminated. And I have my folder file path here, and if I press F2, we can see it saved. So now that the media source exists, we're going to go into our sources. We're going to add a media source. I already have an instant replay set. We're just going to title this IR2. You do want it to be a local file. You don't want it to loop. You don't want it to restart on the playback when it comes active. You don't need hardware decoding. You do want nothing to show when the playback ends, and you do want the file to close when it's inactive, because right here in the tooltip it says it closes the file when the source is not being displayed on the stream or recording. This allows the file to be changed when the source isn't active. We want that. We're going to click browse, and we're going to choose our file path where we saved our instant replays. Click open and OK. Pops up here. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit, make it fit in this little window. So now we go back into settings, we go to hotkeys, and we find the source that we made, IR2. Restart will be F3, stop will be F4, click apply and OK. We press F3, it'll play it. Press F4, it'll cut it. Now if that doesn't work for you, I do have a solution. You can go to properties of that source, check restart playback when source becomes active, click OK. Go into settings, go back to hotkeys, and you're going to find the scene that that source is in. So this scene is chatting for me down here. You're going to find the source, which is IR2. We're going to set that to F5 to show and hide. Click apply, OK. You'll see the eyeball down here. When I press F5, it turns on, and there it plays. Press F5 again, it goes away. I can do it as many times as I want, and it'll work. So that's my tutorial on how to make the instant replay in OBS Studio. If you guys found that helpful, click like and subscribe, because I will be making more content like this. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. So that's my tutorial on how to make the instant replay in OBS Studio. If you guys found that helpful, click like and subscribe, because I will be making more content like this. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.